We're exploring climate. The climate here is warm all year round. Climate change is affecting polar bears' habitats. We moved to a city with a milder climate. The Mediterranean climate is known for its hot, dry summers. Studying climate patterns helps predict future weather conditions. Climate adaptation strategies are critical for agriculture. The political climate can impact international relations significantly. Rapid industrialization has altered the urban microclimate. Comprehending climate models is crucial for policymaking decisions. We're exploring season. Winter is my favorite season because of the snow. Spring is the season when flowers start to bloom. Which season do you like the most? In autumn, leaves change color and fall from trees. Summer is often associated with vacations and beach trips. Each season has its unique weather patterns and characteristics. Farmers rely on seasonal changes to plan their planting schedules. Cultural festivals around the world often celebrate the changing seasons. The concept of seasons varies significantly across different climate zones. We're exploring forecasts. The weather forecast says it will rain tomorrow. Can you check the forecast for the weekend? The forecast predicts sunny skies all week. I rely on the forecast before scheduling my hikes. The forecast indicates a chance of thunderstorms later today. Despite the poor forecast, we decided to launch the event. Long-term weather forecasting can be quite challenging and uncertain. The team analyzed historical data to improve the accuracy of the forecast. Inaccurate forecasts can significantly impact agricultural planning and logistics. We're exploring temperature. The temperature today is quite warm. She checked the temperature before going out. The temperature drops significantly at night. Make sure to measure the water's temperature. Room temperature is usually around 20 degrees Celsius. A sudden temperature rise can indicate a fever. The global average temperature is rising due to climate change. Accurate temperature readings are crucial for scientific experiments. Predicting weather patterns involves analyzing complex temperature data. We're exploring humidity. The humidity today makes it feel hotter outside. My hair gets frizzy in high humidity. Humidity levels can influence how comfortable you feel indoors. They installed a dehumidifier to control the room's humidity. Farmers monitor humidity to plan their irrigation schedule. High humidity can cause health problems like mold allergies. The museum maintains strict humidity controls to preserve artifacts. Researchers study humidity's effect on climate change acceleration. Architects consider humidity when designing buildings in tropical regions. We're exploring rain. It's starting to rain, let's go inside. I always carry an umbrella in case of rain. The rain stopped just before the picnic started. Heavy rain can lead to dangerous road conditions. Rain showers are expected throughout the weekend. She loves the soothing sound of rain on the roof. The farmers were relieved to see the rain after a drought. Urban flooding can occur during periods of intense rain. Meteorologists predict that climate change could alter rain patterns. We're exploring wind. The wind is blowing very hard today. Do you hear the wind whistling through the trees? He loves flying kites on windy days. The sailor adjusted the sails to catch the wind. Strong winds can cause damage to power lines. The wind direction changed suddenly, surprising the hikers. His hair was tousled by the blustery autumn wind. The desert wind formed intricate patterns in the sand. Wind turbines harness the power of the wind to generate electricity. We're exploring snow. The snow is falling gently outside. We built a snowman in the backyard yesterday. The children love playing in the snow. She canceled her trip due to heavy snow. Snow makes the landscape look magical and serene. Driving in the snow requires extra caution. Snowstorms can disrupt travel plans significantly. The accumulation of snow on rooftops can be dangerous. Meteorologists predict a record-breaking snow season this year. We're exploring sunny. It is a sunny day for a picnic. The forecast predicts sunny weather all week. Let's go to the beach since it's sunny outside. I wear sunglasses when it's too sunny. Despite being sunny, the wind is quite cold. Sunny mornings make me feel more energized. Living in a sunny region has health benefits. Farmers rely on sunny days to harvest their crops. Her sunny disposition brightens everyone's mood around her. We're exploring cloudy. It's cloudy, so bring an umbrella. The sky looks really cloudy today. We decided to cancel the picnic due to cloudy weather. Although it's cloudy, let's still go for a walk. I prefer sunny days over these cloudy afternoons. The forecast says it will remain cloudy until evening. Driving was challenging due to the unusually cloudy conditions. The artist captured the cloudy sky with remarkable detail in his painting. Despite the cloudy forecast, the temperature remained surprisingly high throughout the day.